Hi, I am Andre. This is my awesome Julia. And these are our two rascals, Layla and Juno. After enjoying mostly stationary trailer life for 3 years on Vancouver Island, we are finally embarking on our exploration of North America and beyond. We invite you to join us on our travels and to embrace your escape out of the norm.
Really bad road.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
So if you go to Loon Bay or anywhere around Campbell Lake, bring time to go very slow. Otherwise you ruin your car. Oh my God.
Going like
Right now we're going 5 kilometers an hour.
20 kilometers of this.
20 kilometers. That's a little bit out there. We're here at the Loon Bay wreck site at Campbell Lake, just to be a little bit away from reception, to relax and enjoy the nice summer weather, and get bitten by horseflies. And ouch! And we are here at a very nice wreck site on a really sunny open spot. We like the sunny spots. It's a paid wreck site, $18 per night, and for you can stay for 14 consecutive days. Then you have to leave for 72 hours,
Yeah.
and then you come back to the same site. You can't just switch spots. We learned that yesterday because we wanted to switch spots, but that's not possible. Okay, that's the rules. We stay as long as we can and enjoy the weather. And that's what we do when we relax.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Well, I am editing. You reading. Layla is thinking.
Deep thoughts.
Deep thoughts, yeah. Layla's thinking deep thoughts, world peace and stuff.
Barely see the sky now. You sit under the tree. You tell me about your secrets, and I'm falling madly. You catch me right. I'll be alright. It's overnight.
That's a nice time in the world. Oh, look at my beautiful eyes.
As long as you be as crazy. Shadows will guide us where we've never been before. Once in a while I act like no one knows me, while backing with my eyelids closed. Yeah, my thought, I think I like it, I don't so. Once in a while
We thought we'd take a little break from Campbell Lake. That rhymes.
Huh? Yeah, it does. Good job.
And my teacher thought I never would be a poet. So we're here at Elk Falls, and it's very close to Campbell Lake. So it's not a big day trip, but it's pretty crowded here. It's a nice sunny day. So let's see how it is.
Yeah, let's go explore some
New stuff.
new stuff. Never been here before.
No. We've been in the area thousands of times, but never here. We saw the sign.
Yeah. Drove by like, I don't know, 20 times.
Yeah, at least. We just got told it's all downhill from here. I'm not sure if it was meant like locally or mentally.
It's all downhill until you have to walk it back up.
Elk Falls Provincial Park. So we are
Here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now left.
Yeah.
and then
Right.
somewhere here, I guess.
It's not far, I can hear them.
Yeah. It's a very short hike.
It's a very short hike. It's like half a kilometer.
I think we
There's
can do
more
that.
here, but that's all very short.
0.2, 0.2, yeah, that's maybe 1.5 in total.
Yeah.
For us hardcore hikers.
It's nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Let's see how we are when we come back up. Downhill.
Yeah, he was right. All downhill. Easy peasy.
I'll remind you of that on the way up.
When we go uphill with my short breath. See the suspension bridge coming up. It's all metal. Yeah, but Juno, yeah, you don't like this, eh? She doesn't like the metal grating on the ground here, the way they build it. It's a hard time with the holes in between. Might have to carry her. That's rather impressive. Wow. I didn't think that would be so deep. We're getting our spray on.
Good throw. Perfect throw. Right in the water. Like rocks around. And you throw in the water. And I'll fish it out.
Hey buddy! Hey buddy! It was a nice little cool off. We're just a little bit upstream from the waterfall, or were upstream from the waterfall, and the water's very cold. but on this kind of day we have it like 27 degrees today. What a nice refreshment. And the girls were happy about that too. So we were just about to go on the farmer's market here in Campbell River, and on the service road we have no reception, of course. Our truck thought about causing some issues. We were not in reception at all. We just rolled onto a Ford dealership in Campbell River. Actually, we bought the truck here too, and yeah, the engine doesn't sound good at all. Now it has this knocking, it has like 5 messages on the display, and yeah, I guess we leave it here and use our e-bikes. Yay! Yay! Sunday! We are pretty happy that we have our trusty e-bikes. I just actually put them in the truck last week, so otherwise we wouldn't have even had our e-bikes with us to get to places. We're at Walmart here right now, Campbell River, so we can get a backpack and stuff, because oh my god, what a fun day. So we are just biking back because our truck is broken down.
We're 18 kilometers in.
18 kilometers into Forestry Road.
Still have another 15 to go.
Yeah, so close by almost.
Yeah, it's fun.
And it's quite dusty. And it's not like we have mountain bikes. Yeah.
Well, if the cars would slow down, or the trucks, when they pass us, that would help. So we wouldn't eat the dust.
Quite dusty mouth.
But, you know.
Wow. I guess here we go. Shit. Always something happening. The thing is, we don't even have reception here. So I'm kind of happy we didn't break down with the truck all the way in the forest. Because we can't call anybody. Can probably get a ride, I guess. But this way at least we have the truck at the Ford garage already, and here we go downhill. Oh shit. We're not going slow. These little bikes. Fun times, fun times. And Julia is always the speedy one. I can barely keep up with her. She's so quick on this little bike. It's unbelievable. There we are. We're home. Loon Bay. Holy moly, my ass hurts.
My butt is so sore.
Since there's absolutely no cell reception in or around this wreck site, I got back on the bike the next morning. The Ford service department was able to give us this car for that day, but since it was all booked for the following days already, we had to rent a truck for a few days to make sure we can pull the trailer out of the area. We were hoping the garage could fix our truck fairly quickly. In the meantime, we tried to enjoy the lake as much as possible on these hot days.
Woo, a really hot day again here at the lake, and girls and my wifey are just getting a little cool on here in the lake while we're still here. How is it?
Nice.
It's really nice.
It's more like a hot tub or more cooling? Cold? Yeah, I for sure will join her in a bit. I just have to figure out first, because tomorrow we will be out of here and we get this rental truck. Since our truck is at Ford being repaired, something with the throttle, something, not sure what it's called. I'm an electrician, for crying out loud. And they're waiting for the part today, and I just want to make sure that with the hitch and everything we can pull our trailer out properly. We will go very slow, extremely slow, to have it out of the woods, and then we go straight with the trailer to the Ford dealership, and probably will be there maybe for a night, depending if our truck is ready or not, on the Ford parking lot, because it's long weekend coming up and there's no spots available anyway, and I'm getting stung everywhere. Darn. Okay, yeah, so let's see how that goes. What's that? Oh, wow, that hurts. Oh. Yeah, so a little update. We just got our truck back. Yay! We're here in Campbell River, Ford, and they were so great here. They even let us, I can see it here, let us park our trailer here on the parking lot, and that's our truck now. The rental is gone. Was expensive enough, that rental, so I'm happy it's gone. But yeah, they got the part, installed it right away, squeezed us into their schedule to get us going again. Otherwise they even would have let us stay here overnight, even plugged in. They did such a great job. Sarah helped us out so much, and yeah, so just wanted to give a quick update. And if you have any issues with your Ford, if you have a Ford, if you like Fords, then check out these guys here. Like, they're so helpful. I loved it. And yeah, and we're going back on the road now. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.